Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about a Hellcat, mainly on the actual engine cover. And so what we've got is we've got the valve covers, not the engine cover, I'm sorry, but the valve covers off of a 2021 Challenger Hellcat wide body. And so we're pretty excited about it. We've already got these prepped out, we've got them ready to go, and so pretty much give you a little bit of background of what we're going to be doing. So these are already painted silver, and so they're ready to be dipped. But what we've done previously is we've actually painted it silver the first time and then clear coated it. And so what's going to be neat about this is that once we painted it silver again and then we dip it, then we're going to come back and we're going to wipe a lot of this area off right in here. And so that's going to give us the ability to have these really nice smooth lines all the way across here. So pretty much this is going to go in a blue candy carbon fiber, and so we're going to have blue candy all across this right here in the carbon fiber. But what's going to be nice is we're going to have a really nice smooth line right in through here. We're going to have the top of this right here all be in silver metallic, like what you see right here, as well as of course the Hemi, and then this other nice blue line right here. And so of course we've done the other thing on this right here, which is the exact same, just the flip side of it. So line and then supercharger, Hemi, and then line as well is all going to be in a really nice silver metallic. And so that way whenever it's all finished and said and done, it's going to look really good. So we're pretty excited about it. Now these are going to be pretty straightforward. Now again, you will have a little bit of stretch in these areas right in through here because of the way that they recess in like that. There's not really a great way to fix that. Now I don't think that you're going to see a lot of the stretch, but it will be just a tiny bit. But other than that, we've got these all prepped out. So let's go ahead, let's take them out there, let's get some film laid out, get them dipped, and show you guys the end result. So here we go. All right, so we got everything ready to go. Now a couple of things on this right here, because we are doing other pieces in the car, or I'm sorry, in the engine bay, we have went ahead and marked which way our carbon goes. So that's definitely going to be really important, because you want to make sure that all of your carbon is going one way or symmetrical, or however way you do it. It really needs to go a certain way and not just whatever way you just dip it in the water, because then whenever you get everything all together, then of course you got carbon going all which way, and in my opinion it just doesn't look as professional and it doesn't look as good as what it does whenever you actually have everything going in a nice smooth manner like this, or like this all in one way, or something like that. So then that way everything all flows really nice. Whenever you pop the hood, everything all goes really nice whenever you're looking at that. So just a quick little guide on this right here for me. I've got my tape that's right here, so then now I know that my carbon fiber, whenever I'm holding this and I'm going down into the water with it, then I know that my carbon needs to be going that way as I'm going down into the water. So that way it's more of a visual indication for me to make sure that it goes that way as I'm going down into the water. So let's set one of these off to the side, and then we can go ahead and grab our film. So of course the film that we're going to be using, it's going to be our CF282. This is our realistic carbon fiber, and it's pretty much our most popular carbon fiber that we have. So if you're looking for a realistic carbon fiber, this is definitely the carbon to get. So again, I've got my marker right here, so I know that on this valve cover right here, it needs to set just like that. So then that way all of my carbon is going the right way. So I can go ahead and cut that one. And then again, I've got my marker for this one. So in this case, it's actually going to be turned like this. So then that way I will cut one across here, one across here, and then I know that I have the exact way that the carbon needs to run, and we're not just doing it to where both of them are set like that right there. Definitely not going to be dipping that with that right there because it's not big enough. So definitely don't want to waste that dip. So we'll try for round 2. All right, so we got everything all clear coated and it came out beautiful. So you can kind of see here we've got an entire engine compartment full of plastics that we've done for the engine. And so of course you've got your radiator covers right here. Of course they are pretty long, so we went ahead and bumped those two together, but you've got the left side of the car over here and then you've got the right side of the car over here. So of course all the carbon is going this way. This carbon is going this way, so that way it makes a nice little V. Everything matches up really good. You've got a coolant reservoir tank over here. It's still going in the exact same pattern. And then of course on the right side of the car over here, you've got your cover for your, I believe, fuse box. I may be wrong on that, but you've got the cover right here, and then right above that, you've got it for all of your other fuses and everything like that. And then of course, you've got another little reservoir tank right here that you've got. And of course, as you can tell, all of them are all going the same way. And then of course, the video that of course we were doing for you guys, we've got the valve covers. These things came out amazing. So kind of give you a little preview of it. We've got black lettering all in here with the silver metallic, and then of course we've got the blue candy over the whole thing. These things came out really nice, very good, very high quality clear. This is going to last for a very long time. It is a permanent coating, so of course the customer is going to have it for years of use down the road, as well as for shows and everything like that. Because it is clear coated, of course they can just wipe it off with any of the dust or anything that gets on there, and then of course clean it just like normal with regular soap and water if they feel like they need to. So hopefully this video has really helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything Hydrographics related, as well as let us know how you think everything turned out. Do you like it? Would you change the color? Anything like that, definitely let us know. Also, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips and tricks on anything Hydrographics related. I'm Brian from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.